Slider windows are a popular choice for Pasadena homes thanks to their clean design, wide viewing area, and easy operation. They're especially practical in living rooms, kitchens, and spaces facing patios or backyards. But while selecting high-quality slider windows is important, one factor often has an even greater impact on long-term performance: proper installation. In Pasadena's warm climate, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of everyday life, professional installation plays a critical role in ensuring your slider windows deliver the comfort, efficiency, and durability you expect. Ensuring a precise fit from the start. Every window opening is slightly different. Even minor measurement errors can create gaps between the frame and the wall. These gaps may not be immediately visible, but they can lead to significant problems over time. When slider windows are installed correctly, the frame is level and square. The window is securely anchored to structural framing. Insulation fully fills any surrounding gaps. A precise fit helps prevent air infiltration and supports smooth sliding operation. In Pasadena, where air conditioning works hard during hot months, this tight fit helps keep cool air inside. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Slider windows rely on horizontal tracks and interlocking sashes to create a seal. If installation is rushed or uneven, small misalignments can occur. Even a slight tilt in the frame can prevent the sash from sealing properly. Poor installation may lead to drafts near the window, higher energy bills, reduced indoor comfort, difficulty locking the window securely. Professional installers carefully align the window, ensuring the sashes glide smoothly and close tightly against compression seals. This protects your home from unnecessary energy loss. Protecting against water intrusion. Pasadena experiences occasional heavy rain and storms. Because slider windows have horizontal tracks, proper drainage and sealing are especially important. During installation, professionals apply flashing to prevent water penetration. Seal the exterior perimeter with weather-resistant materials. Ensure built-in drainage channels function properly. If flashing or sealing is done incorrectly, water can seep behind the frame, leading to hidden damage such as mold, rot, or compromised insulation. Correct installation helps direct water away from the structure and protects your home's integrity. Maximizing energy efficiency. Modern slider windows often include energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. However, these benefits depend on proper installation. If gaps remain around the window, even the most advanced glass technology won't prevent energy loss. Professional installation ensures continuous insulation around the frame, airtight sealing, proper compression between sashes. In Pasadena's hot climate, this reduces heat infiltration and supports lower cooling costs. Supporting long-term durability. Improper installation can place stress on the window frame. Over time, this may cause warping, seal deterioration, hardware strain. Track misalignment. When installed correctly, slider windows operate smoothly without unnecessary pressure on components. This extends the lifespan of both the frame and the hardware. Maintaining security. Slider windows must close securely to provide proper home protection. Misaligned installation can prevent locking mechanisms from engaging fully. Professional installers test locks and ensure the sash aligns perfectly with the frame, providing both energy efficiency and security. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Incorrect installation can void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for costly repairs. Choosing experienced professionals protects your investment and ensures compliance with manufacturer guidelines. A smart step for Pasadena homeowners. Slider windows offer convenience, modern style, and excellent ventilation. But their long-term performance depends heavily on expert installation. In Pasadena, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms can test your home's exterior, proper installation ensures reliable energy efficiency, protection against moisture, smooth operation, long-lasting durability. When upgrading your slider windows, remember that the quality of installation is just as important as the window itself. With professional installation, you can enjoy maximum performance, comfort, and peace of mind for years to come.